Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Jet Zone Mix. Today we take a deep dive into one of the most legendary aircraft in aviation history, the North American F-86 Sabre. This jet is not only a symbol of air power from the 1950s but also a technological marvel that changed the course of aerial warfare forever. Known for its sleek design, unmatched agility, and powerful performance, the F-86 Sabre stood as a masterpiece that defined the early jet age and became one of the most successful fighters of its time. The exterior of the F-86 Sabre was revolutionary for its era. It featured a sleek fuselage and 35-degree swept-back wings that gave it a futuristic and aerodynamic shape designed to reduce drag and improve performance at high speeds. Its metallic silver finish and slim nose intake made it instantly recognizable on airfields around the world. The design was carefully engineered to help the aircraft achieve near-supersonic speeds, making it one of the fastest jets of the early Cold War. Every part of its structure served a purpose, from the swept wings that provided stability during sharp maneuvers to the tail design that enhanced control during high-speed dives. The F-86 looked aggressive, elegant, and efficient all at once, giving it a visual presence that mirrored its combat power. Inside the aircraft, the cockpit was compact, functional, and entirely focused on performance. It was designed for a single pilot, with a bubble canopy that provided excellent visibility from every direction. The interior was simple yet purposeful, equipped with analog instruments and mechanical controls that were easy for the pilot to reach even during intense maneuvers. Though it lacked luxury or comfort, the cockpit's layout was built for practicality and combat effectiveness. The seat was positioned to give the pilot maximum control and quick access to the weapon systems. Every inch of space inside served a specific purpose, making the interior a true example of form-following function. When it comes to performance, the F-86 Sabre was a true engineering triumph. Powered by a General Electric J47 turbojet engine producing over 5,000 pounds of thrust, it could reach speeds of up to 687 miles per hour, just below the speed of sound. It could climb at nearly 9,000 feet per minute and reach altitudes of around 49,000 feet. These numbers were astonishing for its time and gave the Sabre an edge over most enemy aircraft. During the Korean War, the F-86 faced off against the Soviet-built MiG-15 in some of the most legendary dogfights in history. Despite being closely matched, the Sabre proved to be the more stable and agile aircraft, earning an impressive victory ratio. Its 6.50 caliber machine guns made it a fierce opponent, while later variants added rockets and bombs, giving it the flexibility to serve as both a fighter and a ground attack aircraft. In terms of safety, the F-86 was well ahead of its time. It featured one of the early ejection seat systems, providing pilots with a reliable escape method in emergencies. The airframe was strong and durable, capable of withstanding high G-forces during combat maneuvers and dives. Its hydraulic flight control system improved stability and responsiveness, reducing the physical strain on pilots and making it easier to recover from stalls or high-speed turns. The jet's reliability also became one of its strongest points, as it could handle long missions in harsh conditions with minimal mechanical issues. The unique selling points of the F-86 Sabre were its balanced design, combat record, and versatility. It was one of the first jets to combine speed, maneuverability, and advanced aerodynamics in one effective package. The swept-wing design, which was a new concept at the time, allowed it to outperform older straight-wing jets easily. Its combat success cemented its reputation as one of the finest jet fighters of its generation. It became the standard by which all other fighters of the 1950s were measured. The F-86 Sabre was not only technologically advanced but also economically efficient for its era. During its production period, each unit cost around $219,000, equivalent to about $2.5 million today. Considering its performance and reliability, this was a reasonable cost for a fighter jet that served in over 30 air forces around the world and played a major role in the early Cold War. The aircraft's longevity and adaptability made it a valuable investment for every nation that operated it. In conclusion, the North American F-86 Sabre stands as a timeless icon of jet aviation. It represented a major leap in aircraft design, blending power, precision, and innovation. Its role in shaping modern air combat tactics cannot be overstated, and its legacy continues to inspire aviation enthusiasts and historians alike. Even today, when seen in air shows or museums, the F-86 captures the imagination with its gleaming metallic skin and graceful silhouette. It reminds us of an era when aviation was advancing faster than ever, and brave pilots took these powerful machines into the sky to define a new age of flight. The Sabre will always remain one of the true legends of the jet age, a symbol of speed, bravery, and engineering excellence that continues to inspire generations.